The Drive DeVilbiss Compact 5-liter Home Oxygen Concentrator is one of the smallest, lightest, and quietest 5-liter home units we've ever carried. It measures 14.6 inches wide, 9.9 inches deep, and 18.4 inches high, and weighs 29.9 pounds. Built around a redesigned internal architecture, the Compact 5L is a reliable and durable oxygen concentrator. With fewer mechanical joints than its predecessor, this unit has fewer potential points of failure, and components are easier to access when servicing is needed, meaning issues are resolved faster. Power consumption is also 17% lower than the previous model, extending this unit's service life and reducing your energy costs. This concentrator also comes with a built-in safety feature that monitors the oxygen level over extended periods of use, known as the DeVilbiss Oxygen Sensing Device. Once you set your desired oxygen delivery rate, audible alarms will warn you in cases of high or low pressure, low flow, low oxygen, power failure, or oxygen purity. This feature comes standard on all DeVilbiss devices, providing added peace of mind for users and caregivers alike. The Drive DeVilbiss Compact 5-liter Home Oxygen Concentrator features a modern, streamlined design that will save space in your home. Its intuitive layout includes user-friendly controls on an easy-to-access panel, allowing patients to adjust settings with confidence and ease. Thoughtfully designed with convenience in mind, it also includes a top handle and smooth rolling casters. The Compact 5L operates quietly, emitting just 46 decibels of sound while in use. Your purchase includes the Compact 5L unit, a cannula, and a user manual. We also offer a 3-year manufacturer's warranty on the unit. If you have any questions about the Drive DeVilbiss Compact 5L, please reach out. Our oxygen experts are ready to help. When you breathe easier, we breathe easier.